Lesson number 8, 1.8, Reading Time. Hi friends, in your school, at home, at market, there are so many things around us. We know their names also. We saw their pictures or photos somewhere. In this passage, some sentences are given and in between, instead of words, some pictures are given over there. We'll learn how to read those picture names in between and complete the sentence. This is my classroom. There is a big board on the wall. Our teacher writes on it with a chalk. The teacher has a table to keep her books on. She also has a chair to sit on. She is busy the whole day. We have benches to sit on and desks to keep our books on it. Our classroom has a door and 2 windows. There are many charts on the walls. The charts display children's work on various topics. Our teacher also shows us short films, songs, and stories with the help of the projector. It is fun to watch the films. There is a cupboard near the wall. We keep our material there. There is a dustbin in the corner. We keep our classroom clean.